This is Tuntun Sahur, and today he decided Nike was part of a balanced breakfast. My guy's really munching sneakers like sushi, but the taste? Straight up expired Gatorade. And of course, here comes Tralalero Tralala, the sneaker shark, ready to collect his rent. Next, he slices a chimpanzini banana, leaking milk like a broken cappuccino. He eats it anyway, and instantly regrets it. Now the monkey wants his banana back. So Tuntun grabs a crocodile bomb, pouring himself a glass of nuclear ketchup. Bad idea, because Bombardiro Crocodilo is now hunting him down. But wait, cactus salad? It spills rainbow juice like a Skittles factory, and here comes the cactus elephant, stomping him into rainbow jelly. The final combo, pain with extra spikes. So tell me, did Tuntun Sahur deserve this beatdown? If yes, smash subscribe is before the brain rot shark eats your sneakers.